Welcome back to this video part 2. In the part 1 we have created the upper section of this screen. It's mainly called header, and now in this video we are going to the card sections, which is below. So we have created this last video. If you are not watched this, I am putting the link in the descriptions or I button. You can watch it must. Okay, so we are just copying the container. Here we notice the PayPal logo changed to the Payoneer logo. So I am just going to there and select the Payoneer logo and found to export and export it, download it, and just show in a folder and rename it because it's too long for my code. And just I am going to copy it and paste into the assets. Okay, and this logo has been imported successfully. So I am just using it here. I am just commit it for the instance and put it here the constant because it is giving me a warning, and I'm just change the name of the image from the assets, and image 3 is the previous name of the Payoneer logo because I have some issues for some profile because I have no network issues, for instance. So its color is blue, and I am just clicking it and inspect it and copy the color code. Now you can see my color has been successfully added. So the next part is these two cards bottom left. Before it we have a text, and the above sections text and card is same, so I am just copy it after the Payoneer card. So I am just putting the text here and removing the Payoneer logo. So I am just go to find the text and just copy it here because I have created already before, and just moving forward and finding the image. Where is my image? And this is the image, and I am just putting it here. As you can see, the image has been changed into the text. So the second one is the second card, the image, just I am putting it also. So you can see this is has been successfully. So I am just giving it to the text. Okay, so it is a text of, and I am just here and copy it here and just paste it. Okay, so this alignment is out, and I am just going to pad it here, the radio buttons, and I am just pad only a bottom card radio button to align it. Okay, so you can see it has been aligned. So thank you so much for watching my video. The second part has been completed. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel and share it more and more. If you can share it, it will be a motivation for me. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much.